Yes, today we will see some more examples. Yesterday we have seen examples on joint distribution, right? Similarly, we'll see one more example. So example is here, suppose x and y are independent random variables. They are given as a x and y are the independent random variables, right? With the following respective distributions. They are given distributions. Here they are given marginal distribution. So previous example they having a joint distribution table, but here they are given marginal distributions. Using marginal distribution we are going to find the joint probability distributions, right? Respective distribution, find the joint distribution of x and y. We need to find the joint distribution of x and y. Also verify that covariance of x, y equal to 0. So we need to verify the covariance of x, y is equal to 0. So here given data is marginal distribution. Here x random variable and y is also random variable. X random variable having 2 data, 1 and 2. Then y random variable having 3 data, -2, 5 and 8. So we call it as, this is x randomly having first value is x1, second value is x2. Similarly, y random variables y1, y2, y3, right? So respective distributions, this is marginal distributions. F of xi equal to, sorry, f of xi is nothing but we have a 2 marginal distributions. First one is f of x1 is 0.7, f of x2 is 0.3. Similarly, respective random y variables. So marginal distributions of g of y1 is 0.3, g of y2 is 0.5, g of y3 is 0. Like this. So this is given data. Our aim is to find the joint distributions. Also verify that covariance of x, y equal to 0. Right. Now we see the solution of this one. Let x and y are the independent random variables. They are given. Right. Next, our aim is to find the joint distribution. So we know that joint distribution between what? Jij. J11, J12 like this, right? Jij. I am calling in general Jij. Or you can write J of x, y. Both are same. Obtained by using the definitions. Here we have a definition. F of xi into g of yj equal to Jij. Right? This we know the expression. Using this expression, we need to find the joint distributions, right? Like this, J11, J12, J13, like this, right? Now, here replace I and j. I nothing but how many have random variables? We have 2. So I is nothing but 1 and 2. Not this. I is ranging only 2 data. That's why we are starting from 1 and 2. Y having 3 data. That's why I am taking j is 1, 2, 3. J is 1, 2, 3. Right? Here I is 1, j is 1. First value. So I is 1, j is 1. Nothing but j 1. Right? We know the value of this. F of x1 is 0.7. F of x, g of y1 is 0.3. So multiply with this is 0.21. J11 is 0.2. Similarly, so next I1, J2. So I1 and J2. So f of x1, g of y2 equal to J1. F of x1 having 0.7, g of y2 is 0.5. So after multiplying these two values is 0.35. So J12 is 0.35. Similarly, next is I is 1, j is 3, because we have y value is 3 data, j is 3. So f of x1 into g of y3, g of y3. So f of x is 0.7 into 0.2 is 0.1. Nothing but J1. Similarly, I is 2, j is 1, so j21. So f of x2 into g of y1. So f of x2 into g of y1. 3 3 is 9, so 0.09. Right? Similarly, I is 2, j is 2. F of x2, g of y2. So j22. Right? So 0.3 into 0.5. 0.1. 3 5 is 15. Next value is j23. I is 2 and j is 3. j23 equal to, so 0.3 into 0.2. So 0.606. 3 2 is 6. Right? Like this. So after finding these, I am replacing these values in the table format. Right? So x random is having 1 2, y having -2 5 8. -2 5 8. So this is margin distribution. This is margin distribution. This is random variable x, random variable y. Right? Similarly, now j11 is, here we have find the value. j11 is 0.21, j12 is 0.35 like this. I am replacing all these values in the table. This j11, j12, j13, j21, j22, j23. Right? So this is the obtained values. These are the given values. Right? Boundary. These boundary columns are, rows columns are given values. This table. Right? Then, after getting a joint distribution table, we need to verify the covariance of xy. So covariance of xy is, we have expression. We have covariance of xy equal to expectation of xy minus mu x mu y. Right? So now mu x equal to sum xi, f of xi, I is 1 to 2. So if you expand this one, yes, mu x, x1 f of x1 plus x2 f of x2. I is 1 to 2. Right? So x1 we have a value, so y1 also we have value. Actually, x2, x1, x2. So look at the table, joint distribution table. Right? So after simplifying, so we get a 1.3. So mu x equal to 1.3 or expectation of x. Both are same. Similarly, mu y or expectation of y equal to summation. This is j ranging from 1 to 3 because y data is 3. Right? Yj g of yj equal to, expand again same the previous expression we are following here also. y1 g of y1 plus y2 g of y2 plus y3 g of y2 because I is 1, j is 1 to 3 and 2 is the x1 x2 value, but we have here j is 1 to 3, so 1 2 3. Right? After replacing from using table, so we get mu of y is 3.5. Right? Then one more expression, expectation of x into y. Expectation of x into y. So we have another expression, summation ij xi yj jij equal to, again same thing, we are expanding the summation. So here I is equal to 1 and 2 and j is equal to 1, 2 and 3. First only I is 1, j these 3 values. See, x1, y1, j11, I is 1, j is 1. Then I is 1, j is 2, x1, y2, j1 plus I is 1, j is 3, x1, y3, j1. Similarly, plus next I is 2 and j is 1 to 3, x2, y1, j21 plus x2, y2, j22 plus x2, y3, j3. Right? Again using this joint distribution table values, replace these values in this. Now we get expectation of xy equal to 4.5. Right? So whenever we covariance of xy having, we get all the values. Now replace here in this expression equal to, this is 4.55 minus, so mu x is 1.3, mu y is 3.5. To multiply by this same value 4.55, so 4.55 minus 4.55 is 0. Now covariance of xy is 0. Now this is verified. Thus the result covariance of xy equal to 0 for independent random variable variables x and y is verified. So this is a required solution of a given example. Similarly, you see one more example. So brief solution of this one. So next example is, given the following joint distribution of the random variables x and y, find the corresponding marginal distribution. Also compute the variance and the correlation of the random variable x and y. Hello. Here they are given joint distribution table, right? We are going to find the first thing is marginal distributions of x and marginal distribution of y. After that, correlation of x, y. Then covariance of x. First find covariance of x and y, and after that correlation of x and y. Now, anyway, we know that this table, in this we are having x random variable and y random variables. X having 3 data, y also having 3 data. Both are 3, 3, right? So x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. So value is x1 is 2, x2 is 4, x3 is 6, y1 is 1, y2 is 3, y2 is 3, and y3 is 9. Similarly, these are the joint distributions: j11, j12, j13, j21, j22, j23, j31, j32, and j33. Just nothing but a matrix. I throw and j column, right? A11, A12, like this, right? Same thing. These are the joint distributions. Then our aim is to find marginal distribution. By the marginal distribution, same xi is, these are the given random variables 2, 4, 6, y is 1, 3, 9. Now find this f of x. How to find this f of x I and g of yj? G of yj. F of xi nothing but marginal distributions. How to find this marginal distribution? So here x1 corresponding this row, x1 corresponding this row, sum of these all joint distribution equal to f of x. Hello. So 1 by 8 plus 1 by 24 plus 1 by 12. So sum of these equal to 1 by 4. Similarly, 1 by 2 is second row. Sum of second row, x2 is second row. So sum of second row is 1 by 2. Sum of third row is 1. Only joint distribution. Only joint distribution sum. Corresponding rows. Then g of yj is, this is column wise. Column wise sum. Only joint distribution. So 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 is 1 by 2. Similarly, second column 1 by 2, 1 by 24, 1 by 4, 1 by 24, so 1 by 3. Similarly, third row 1 by 12, 0, 1 by 2 is 1 by 6. So this is nothing but a way to find the marginal distributions, right? Anyway, we know that this is x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. Similarly, the corresponding value marginals is this is f of x1, f of x2, f of x3, g of y1, g of y2, g of y3, right? Then next is to find the covariance of x1. Same way, whatever you follow previous example, same expression here, covariance of x1. So expectation of xy minus mu x, right? So mu x is 4, mu y is 3. I am writing directly. Right? Do this one. Expectation of xy is 12. After replacing these values, covariance of this is expectation of x y is 12. So mu x is 4, mu y is 3. So 4 into 3 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. Similarly, correlation expression is, this is a row of x comma y equal to covariance of x y divided by delta x delta y. This is nothing but, this delta x delta y is standard deviations. Standard deviation of x, standard deviation of y. Right? Anyway, this is a 0. We have value 0. So no need to find these two values. Right? So value is 0. So that's why thus covariance of x y is 0, automatically correlation also a value is 0. This is a required solution of a given example.